Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Kayla and here we love to talk about all things luxury beauty, luxury makeup, high-end beauty, high-end makeup, which as I always say, they're kind of the same thing, but I feel the need to say both luxury and high-end. So today we are going to be talking about the new Pat McGrath holiday palette, always have to look at the name, Mothership Mega Celestial Odyssey. I got this baby in. I am so excited to show you how I created this look, to show you some swatches, and to let you know my thoughts on this beautiful palette. So if that's something that you're interested in, then just keep watching. Okay, so it's not very sunny outside today, but I still wanted to show y'all the shades in natural light. So starting at the bottom, we have Saturn Sunset, Rose Venus, Gold Galaxy, Noir Moon, Bronze Nova, and Nocturne. Oh, I wish that in that Bronze Nova shade, I wish I could see the shift. So that's it in outdoor lighting. Here are those same shades, that top row in indoor lighting. Look at the shimmer in that black shade. Hey, Mickey. So funny. Those are beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Okay, so here is the second row in the palette. Starting at the bottom, we have Galactic Glow, Sunrose Amber, Lotus Luxe, Lunar Haze, Electric, and Heavenly Body. Stunning. So here are those same shades in indoor lighting. Oh, I love that Heavenly Body shade. So pretty. And last but certainly not least, we have the bottom row, which is Bronze Eclipse, Solar Flare, Nirvana, Corrupt Copper, Palladium, and my favorite, Citrine Envy. And then here are those shades in indoor lighting. Y'all, look at that green. Oh my gosh. So pretty. Okay, y'all. So I kind of just want to do something fun. Like just kind of play around with this. And like, y'all know I have to go. Oh my gosh, y'all. I'm so scared I'm going to drop this thing. I have to go into this green first called Citrine Envy. So what I'm gonna do, I don't know how this is gonna turn out, but we're just gonna play, okay? I'm gonna go in with a Wayne Goss number 20, and I'm just gonna kind of build it like right here. And what I'm gonna try to do is fade it into another color, and we're gonna see how it works. So first I'm gonna go into this green. Oh my gosh. Okay, so now I'm just gonna put that over my whole lid and then we're gonna be done. That is so beautiful. Oh my God. Oh, I just can't even. So I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye and I'll be back. Okay, so now what I wanna do is I'm gonna take this shade down here called Corrupt Copper, and I cleaned off that same Wayne Goss number 20 brush, and I'm gonna kind of try to fade the green into that and make a little bit of a wing. Okay, well that barely took any product, any effort, and it's a beautiful shade. Again, I really feel like any one of the shades in this palette could just be like a one and done shade, and y'all know I love my one and done shades, but any of these could easily be just like a one and done shade, but I want to use a bunch of them today. So I mean, this looks a little wonky right now, but whenever I go in and do my base, I'm going to clean it up. So I'm going to do the same thing on the other side and I'll be back. Okay, so now what I want to do is I just want to deepen up the outer corner just like a tad, and I want to use a bunch of the shades. So I'm gonna go into this shade down here called Bronze Eclipse with a Sonia G Mini Booster and just add a little bit to the outer corner of my eye. Definition, not too much. It didn't really do much. I kind of took a little and added it, you know, just kind of drug it out a little bit, if you could see. It didn't add too much. I really just wanted y'all to be able to see a lot of these shades in action. So I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye and I'll be back. Okay, so I did the same thing. Before I move on, I wanna say it is not patchy out here. I don't know if it's picking up on camera. I have some kind of little pimple or some little nonsense going on right here. That's why it looks like maybe it's darker right there or something, but it is not the eyeshadow. The eyeshadow is divine. So next what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into this shade right here, which is called Rose Venus, and I'm gonna add that to the remaining portion of my lid with a Sonia G Jumbo Blender. Shades, look at that, y'all. I mean, I know it may look like a jumbled mess, okay, but I mean, look at the shine and the shimmer of these shades. Just absolutely beautiful. So I'm gonna do the same thing on my other lid, finish up my base, and then I'm gonna come back because I want to use some more colors on my bottom lash line. So I will come back to finish that up with y'all. Okay, so I'm back. I have basically everything on except for underneath this eye and mascara. So I wanted to show y'all, I apologize. I don't know why I didn't film myself doing this side, but I wanted to show y'all what I did. So I'm gonna use a BK Beauty number 204 and go into this blue shade down here called Nirvana and just kind of pop that underneath my, or on my lower lash line. So then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this BK Beauty number 201 clean and just kind of blend it out so it's not quite so harsh. And there we go. So pretty. So last but not least, what I want to do is I just want to add a little brightness back in the inner corner. So I'm going to go into this shade right here called Galactic Glow, I think. Yes, Galactic Glow. I cleaned off that same BK Beauty number 204 and I'm just going to pop that in the inner corner of my eye. So pretty. So I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side, add my mascara, and I'll be back with my final thoughts, y'all. Mickey came to say hi. Hey, bud. You wanna tell everybody hey? Huh? Say hi. So mascara is on. Final thoughts, y'all. I adore this palette, okay? I have her mega palette from last holiday and it's beautiful, but I don't find myself reaching for it that much. But this one, this is more like my kind of color story. This is more up my alley. It's really, really beautiful. All of the shades are just so creamy and so blendable. They're on par with Pat McGrath's quality. You know, there's none in here that I feel like are like a dud per se. They're just really, really beautiful. None of them are patchy. I know out here in this corner, it kind of looks patchy, but again, it's because I have this little pimple or something going on. we're just gonna pretend like it's not there. But the shadows are so stunning, and I'm so glad that I picked this up, and I'm so glad to have it in my collection. So let me know in the comment section down below, did you pick this palette up? If you did, what are your thoughts on it? Do you love it as much as I do? Let me know what other kind of looks that you'd want to see with this palette. I can create them over on my Instagram, which if you're not following me, it's at beautybykaylak. I'd love to see you over there. And again, y'all, if you like this video, please hit that like button. And if you like my content, please hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you as part of our little fam here on YouTube. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.